At sa mga gustong magpapaslim, mayroon po tayong burn. Ano po yung burn? Body under right nutrition with 4 different types. Burn Slim tablet. At mayroon itong appetite suppressant, increases body metabolism. Burn fats, a special proprietary blend of Garcinia cambogia extract. Ang health benefits po ng Garcinia cambogia, it is power appetite suppressant, prevents fat storage, improve your heart health, cure gastric issues, positive stimulant for brain. Green tea extract, maintain body weight, best drinks for diabetics, regulate blood pressure, prevent cancer, anti-stress. Okay? Regulate blood pressure, prevent cancer, anti-stress, increase, ang gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, increase brain activity. Conjugated linoleic acid or CLA, increase metabolic rate, enhance muscle growth, lower cholesterol and triglycerides, lower insulin resistance, reduce food-induced allergic reaction, enhances immune system. L-carnitine aids weight loss, playing an important role in energy production, improve mental performance, and cognitive ability. White kidney extract, ano po yung benefits nito? Reduce cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, full of iron, good for memory, antioxidants, boost energy, lower heart attack risk. Burn meal replacement, shake, replace your lunch for dinner. Yan po yung sa mga nagsislim, yan po yung pwede nilang i-replace sa kanilang meal, lunch, or dinner. It's a low-calorie, zero-saturated trans fat supplement which provides complete nutrition, including protein and amino acid. It's a great testing way to achieve your weight loss. Leave-in coffee or leave-in burn coffee. Mayroon po tayo din nito na coffee is made of premium Arabica beans fortified with complete phytoenergizer. The infusion of these ingredients are formulated to increase metabolism, energy, and feeling of satiety that support weight and loss management. Burn Mate Iced Tea or Burn Mate Iced Tea. Froth around with its patented Alpha Hyper Pure process technology. Develop Phynomate, a patented green mate leaf extract with human clinical studies providing efficacy on weight loss and increase of energy, vitality through multiple mechanism of action, adding green tea extract, cereal carnivore. Yan po yung mga makukuha natin sa iced tea. Okay? Mayroon pa tayong mayroon pa tayong Natural Essential Feminine Wash para sa mga babae. Ang product ng AIM Global na ito ay magaganda po sa mga antibacterial po ito. Okay? Antibacterial, antimicrobial, helps you prevent UTI, infections or infections in urinary bladder. Guava leaf extract, anti-inflammatory, prevents mga ganyan allergens, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-aging. Ito po yung maganda ito po yung pwedeng gamitin natin, ang feminine wash. Kung mayroong feminine wash na para sa babae, mayroon naman para sa lalaki. In deserve better intimate hygiene just as much as women. So the first ever masculine wash is born. The world's first natural masculine wash with negative ion strips. It has 63 or 6,300 negative ions, anti-allergens, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-aging. Also contains Acapulco extract, which also has antifungal, antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antiviral. Also, it is peppermint oil, which is energizing, refreshing, and anti-aging, and with aloe vera, which is in disinfectant, germicidal, antiseptic, and anti-aging, which is all these ingredients. Know that this is only masculine wash, only can found in masculine wash. Okay?